Today is November 5th. What's going to happen to this real estate market after this presidential election? Well, no one knows for sure, obviously. We're just going to go by historic data. Let's start with mortgage rates. There's really not a big impact on mortgage rates. Some election cycles, rates go down. Some election cycles, rates go up. But it's not a dramatic change. You really can't make any predictions based on the past. You really can't make any predictions on what's going to happen after this cycle. Yeah, I think on a side note, it's important. Lawrence Yun recently came out. He's the chief economist at the National Association of Realtors. Basically said that 6% is the new norm, and he will probably never see sub 4% mortgage rates. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. Home sales, of the 9 of the last 11 election cycles, home sales increased after the election. So there's people put things on hold in the election year, and they may not make that purchase, and they may wait. A lot of times they'll just wait after the election to make sure everything's okay. In Sarasota and other vacation home markets, I think we're impacted more by election years because people don't need that vacation home, so they tend to wait until after the election just to make sure everything's okay. And I do believe that we do have some pent-up demand in Sarasota and other markets as well, that 2025 will probably be a pretty active year. And then finally, home prices. 7 of the 8 last election cycles, home prices have increased, except for the 2008 market crash, housing crash. And but if you think about it, home prices tend to increase every year anyway. Was it the election that caused them to go up? I don't know. Usually what happens is the current trend continues after the election. So if the trend is our prices decreasing, that's probably going to continue. If the trend is prices increasing, that's probably going to continue. So in a nutshell, I really think it's probably best for you to buy or sell based on your personal needs and not try to time it around an election. So something to think about. Hope this helps.